it's Emily Capel and Kristen Hilty with Making Math Make Sense. We have another great game for you today. It is Target Addition. Target Addition is a fabulous game to work on adding up, okay? So I play this game with my fourth graders. I've played it with K through 5. Kids need practice adding on. Okay, if you're working with the younger grades, definitely consider giving them a hundreds chart or a number line. A ruler works great to help them with that adding on concept. Here's what the game board looks like. You can see we have a whole bunch of rows of numbers that we are going to use to add on. We have a target on the right-hand side. I have that so it's just editable. You can put the target number on there so the kids are always aware of what they're trying to add up to. On the left, you'll see some chips, and those are going to be our chips that we're going to put on the game board so we know what numbers we've already used that we're adding to.
For the younger kids, you can eliminate the 5 and the 4, tell them not to use the 5s and the 4s, just use the 1s, 2s, and 3s. They then can make their target number between 10 and 30. If you're using the full board, you're going to make your target number between 25 and 55. So Emily, what do you want our target number to be?
Let's do 23.
23. So I am going to edit this and I'm going to record. Our target number is between 25 and 55.
Oh, I was doing the younger ages. Okay, let's do 31.
All right, our target number is 31. So I went ahead and put our target there. I am going to go first, and I'm going to go ahead and move a chip over the number 5. And right now our total sum is 5. The object of this game, you want to be the person who places the chip over the final number to land on 31. So you're constantly thinking about strategy as you play this game. So I'm at 5.
I'm going to have you put it on a 3, please. We're going to do 5 plus 3 is 8.
And I'm going to put it on 2, and 8 plus 2 is 10.
So that's a concept that you're going to start to see and encourage kids to do, is try to get a number to make the next 10. I've also had a lot of kids, they go and they just hit all the 5s right away. Okay, so if you see your students doing that, praise them for that, because they're counting by 5s. They're doing something that they know and they're familiar with. But then the next round, I'm like, oh, sorry, you've lost 3 5s. You only have 2 5s to use this round. So that's a way you can differentiate the game. So we're at 10 right now. Please put a green chip on 4, and we're going to be at 14.
And I'm going to put one on 1 so that we're at 15.
Please put another green chip on a 4, and we are going to be at 19. 15 plus 4 is 19.
And I am going to put it on 1, so we're at 20.
Yeah, a lot of kids like to hit that friendly 10. That's awesome. We're at 20. Put it on a 3, please. Let's get 23.
And I am.
Here's where you want to think ahead. Kristen's got to think ahead.
2, so that we're at 25.
So here's where Kristen thought ahead. She knows we are 6 away from our target number, and she knows I can't put it on a 6 and hit our target number right now. So I have to play another number, and hopefully Kristen knows the combination with my number to make that 6. Please put a green chip on the 2. So we are going to be at 25 plus 2 is 27.
And then I am going to put it on the 4 so that we land on 31, and then I would win this round.
Good job, Mrs. Hilty.
And then they can unclear the chips and they can change their target number and they can play again. Also, you do have the directions here. So if your students want to look for the directions, they do have the directions typed out underneath this game. This is a fun one, great way to practice addition skills, fun way to practice mental math as well. And as Emily said, for the young ones, have some way for them to keep track of those numbers as they're adding if their mental math skills aren't developed yet.